Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a landing page on Clickfunnels. Clickfunnels is one of the best platforms for internet marketers or business owners as it is beginner friendly and you can also get started for free as you can claim your free trial today. And before signing up, I would recommend that you use my link in the description to get started. Once you have signed up to Clickfunnels using your email address, you will be redirected to this dashboard. Once on this dashboard, to get started, I want you to pay attention to the left-hand menu option. And from here, you will see funnels, products, orders, contacts, and you can also track your analytics. But to create a landing page, all you would need to do is go over to the top right-hand corner and you are going to tap right where you see create. Then from there you are going to tap on page. Once you have tapped on page, you will be redirected to this dashboard and we can go over to the left hand menu option and we can select any one of these pages. So let's say for example we want to create a sales landing page or you want to create an opt-in page. All you'll need to do is tap on opt-in and you can see the different templates that we can choose from. So you can scroll down until you see a template that you like. So let's say for example we would like to use this squeeze page as our landing page. All we'll need to do is simply tap on it. Then once you have tapped on it, you can see how it looks right there and you can add in your page URL. Once you have added in your page URL, you can scroll down and you will tap on create page. After you have tapped on create page, you will be redirected to a new page on which you'll be able to edit the template. So just give it a few seconds as you can see that it is currently loading up. And from here you can see the landing page right here. This is it. So all you have to do is scroll down and you can view it. And to make any changes, for example, if you would like to add your logo, all you have to do is edit or hover better over the section that you'd like to add your logo. Then tap on it right where you see logo placeholder. And then you'll be able to upload your logo right here. And also to change the text section, all you have to do is tap on the particular section. And you could remove the text if you want, or you could add text. So let's say I would like to add text right here or remove the text. All I have to do is simply tap right there and I could change the text as you can see right here. I could change the font style or so on. Or if you would like to add an element, you can do that. All you have to do is tap on the plus right where you see add new element and you could do that. Or if you don't want to add the new element right there, let's say I would like to add a new element right here. All I would have to do is simply tap on the section. Then once you have tapped on the section, you are going to see the editor pop up on the right hand column. Then I'll simply scroll down, and if I would like to add something right here, all I would have to do is tap right where you see add row. Then from there I can choose what I would like to add. So you can see right here you could add a blank column. I could tap on that and you can see that it has been added right there. Then if I would like to add a video, I could do that. If I would like to add an image, I could do that. All I would have to do is tap on image. Then you can see that an image has been added right there. And that would be the example, but let's close out of it. So this would be our landing page as you can see right here. So this would be the first page. Once you have created the landing page, you can go over to the top left hand corner and you're going to tap on the three dashes. Then you can tap on the thank you page and you can also edit your thank you page right here. Then tap on OK. After you have done that, you can create a thank you page or edit it as you can see right here. And if you would like to remove one of these pages, all you have to do is tap on the settings right beside it right here. The settings cog. Then once you have tapped on the settings cog, you will scroll down and you're going to tap on delete. So let's say I only want the squeeze page and one thank you page. I can edit the other 2 pages by simply tapping on delete right there. So you can see right here, I only have the main page. Then I'll select settings again, as I want to remove the other page. As I said, I only want 2 pages. So we'll have the first landing page, and then we're going to have the thank you page. So let's tap on delete again. And after you have done that, as you can see right here, this is it. Then to share your page, all you'll need to do is simply tap right here. So we are going to tap on our landing page and also our thank you page. To share it, all you'll need to do is simply tap right here where you see open in new window. And from there you could simply copy this, and then you'll be able to share the link, and that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.